Hello and welcome to my video on wallpapers. In this video, we'll be discussing the different types of wallpapers available, how to choose the best one for your space, and how to install it. There are many different types of wallpapers available, including vinyl, grass cloth, textile, and more. Each type has its own unique qualities and benefits. When choosing a wallpaper, there are several factors to consider. These include the size of the room, the amount of natural light, and the style of furniture and decor. It's also important to consider the durability of the wallpaper and whether it will stand up to high traffic areas. Installing wallpaper can seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and technique, it can be done easily and efficiently. The first step is to prepare the walls by cleaning them and filling in any cracks or holes. Then, measure and cut the wallpaper to fit the wall. Apply adhesive to the back of the wallpaper and carefully place it on the wall, smoothing out any bubbles or wrinkles. Once your wallpaper is installed, it's important to take proper care of it to ensure it lasts for years to come. This includes regularly dusting the surface with a soft cloth, avoiding harsh chemicals and abrasives, and promptly addressing any stains or spills. And there you have it. A complete guide to wallpapers. We hope you found this information helpful and we wish you the best of luck with your own wallpaper projects. Thanks for watching.